Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix this build of Windows will expire soon problem in Windows 11, and also guys this method will work in Windows 10. Open CMD and run as administrator. So type here slmgr space dash rearm, then press enter. Now exit and restart your system, and after restart type second command, so cmd run as administrator. Now this time type this one slmgr space slash upk, then press enter. Now exit and open services. Now here guys, you have to find out Windows license service. Find out here Windows license manager service, this one. Double click on it and select disabled and stop, then apply, then click on OK and double click on Windows Update. Now select disabled, apply and stop, then click on OK. Now exit and restart your system. So this way you can fix and resolve this problem. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.